Hey there everyone, Jason Tapali here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and in this video I just want to present to you something that I'm going to give to people in the Exeter area. Because of this coronavirus, everything's on lockdown, the gym's on lockdown, so what I'm offering is home training and outside training. So I've got some equipment here that I use in my outside training. I've been doing this for the last 8 years, so I've got some really good pieces of equipment that most gyms don't have. So I just want to show you a few things. So first of all, let's go over here. If you want to train at home inside and you don't want to be outside training, I've got a great piece of equipment called the K-Box 4. It's eccentric training. It is really good. It's very quiet. You can do deadlift, squats. I've got videos on my Instagram and my YouTube channel showing myself doing that. It's just a small little workout plan and you'll be wiped out on that. Trust me, that's really good. So we're moving along here. So if you want to do outside training, here's some of the equipment that I do have. Now I use landmine attachments and landmines. Now I've got one set up here. So I've got a few attachments. I've got a linebacker attachment where you can do front or back squats. You can do cleans with a Viking press and presses with that one there. Also I have got a single arm press, if you can see here, so I can do stuff with single arm stuff. That's a really good piece of equipment. Also, while I'm here, I've got some kettlebells which will complement the strength training. That'll be the good one for the conditioning. Also, if you wish, just move over here, I've got a specialized hex bar. Now this hex bar has got different handles for different size of people's hands, so that's very good. So if you want a thicker grip and you want a stronger grip, I've got a thicker grip for that one. Also I've got a Bulgarian split squat we can do at home, and also in the far corner there I have got a rogue sled, so I can do, if I've got enough space, I can do sled pulls and pushes in there. Now with all this equipment here, I can literally do almost any kind of strength and conditioning workout possible. You know, the amount of possibilities are unlimited. It gives you a real alternative to going to the gym or staying at home and doing bodyweight exercises. Now if you wish to sort of try this out, please let me know. I will definitely sort of give everyone a good try at this. If you give me an email or give me a direct message on Instagram or Facebook. I have had many clients do this before, and it really is good, especially now it's getting warmer and outside training. Training in the outside is going to be much better for your health, for your lungs and everything like that. And you're not going to be in these stuffy gyms, and hopefully won't catch any sort of viruses. So there we go. So this is a small selection of what I can provide, and trust me, this little piece of equipment here can easily wipe you out just doing all this stuff, but most people won't be using all this. So if you like this video and you're thinking about doing strength training while this pandemic is going on and everything's in lockdown, please give me an email, please give me a message on Instagram or Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help. I can come to you, like you say, if you have a look here, there's my truck, there's my old logo. All I need is this much space. I don't need a lot. In home, all I need is literally that much space where my mat is with a K-Box 4. So if you want to try that, give me a message and I'll be back to you as soon as possible. And also, if you like this video, please like and share, and I'll see you on another video coming real soon.